Hello everyone and welcome back to the Cook to Flourish kitchen, where today we are going to make a summer spiralized pasta salad that I hope that you will just enjoy. So we're going to be featuring some of our Redfern CSA veggies in here and a couple from the farmer's market as well. So you're going to need 7 to 8 cups of spiralized vegetables. So I used here cucumber, beet, and zucchini. So any combination of those three that we're going to put here into a large measuring bowl. Then also you are going to need 2 tablespoons of oil. So I used 1 tablespoon of toasted walnut oil and 1 tablespoon of a citrus olive oil. So whether you do a lime olive oil or a blood orange olive oil, that's what I did here. So 1 tablespoon of the walnut oil, 1 tablespoon of the blood orange olive oil. And then I did about 1/8 of a teaspoon of sea salt and then a dash or 2 of pepper. So season that to your liking. So I'm going to just pour that over our spiralized veggies here. And then we are going to add some fresh herbs. So who else loves fresh herbs, especially in the summertime where they are just abundant? So we are going to do 1/2 to 1 tablespoon of either lemon thyme or orange thyme. They just add such a burst of flavor to this dish here. Then also we are going to do 8 torn basil leaves. So especially in the summer where basil is just so abundant and it adds such amazing nutrition and flavor to this dish as well. So you can tear it with your fingers. You could get your kids to help you tear up the basil and you can have them smell their fingers and smell that basil. Or you could also slice it with a knife. Either way, whichever way you prefer. So we have our basil in here. We have our spiralized vegetables. This is just summer in a bowl, isn't it? Then if you wanted to add a little bit of extra crunch, you could do 2 to 4 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds. And so I'm just going to sprinkle those in here. So give this a little crunch, and then we are just going to toss it all together. So this dish really comes together in no time, and it utilizes these fresh seasonal ingredients, and it's all raw, so it's super simple, and it's cooling on those hot summer days or evenings. So it is just a wonderful dish. You could, even if you wanted to, add a little bit of organic lemon, lime, or orange zest if you wanted to bring out that citrus olive oil and accent that flavor. But it smells amazing. And then I'm just going to bring some out here, and woo, some of those are a little bit long. And then we're just going to put it on our plate, and I garnished it with a little bit of fresh basil. And then there you have it, my friends. We have our summer spiralized salad. So thank you all so much. God bless you. We will see you again soon in the Cook to Flourish kitchen.